All right, still Doggy Daycare. Now we're looking at level 2, which is supposed to be easy. And here we go here. Hold on a second. I just typed a 4 up there. I want to build a formula. So right before this was empty. All right. I just want to type a 4 up there so I can see, what the answer should be. And we can do a count ifs with this. Okay, a count ifs. And I guess what we're trying to do is count, well, how many times does this arrow pointing to the right occur in these 20 blocks here, 20 cells. So I've got those. Oh, wrong way. Go up that way and just up there we go. All right. Okay. And I just want to use the arrows, in particular the right arrows. So I'm going to ask, well, how many times does that occur with the count if? So I'll need to use a wildcard here. And I'll put in an asterisk. Okay, ampersand. And refer to that. Okay, and we get the 4. Let me move back over here. All right, so let me hit, you can see it on the formula bar. I'll also hit F2 there so you can see that. All right, and so now I can just copy that and paste it down. Okay, so Control C, and Shift Control down arrow. Oh, not too far. There we go. Control V. All right, and now again in a competition file, I'd have buttons here that would tell me, is this right or wrong? Okay, so I'm pretty sure that these are correct. So so that's a quick work through of level 2.